Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the creepy little toy Ducky from Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this Ducky, and to begin we're going to draw his head first. So right here we're just going to draw kind of like a semicircle. Okay, just go all the way around, and then we'll just kind of stop there. Okay, so this is actually going to be the head. So from here, you want to draw right here, just kind of come down a little bit, and then we're going to draw one big circle here. One big curve. Okay, and then we're going to keep going, just come down a little bit more, and then now we're going to go back to this point there and just kind of close it off. So this is going to be a little eye piece. Okay, so from there we're going to draw creepy little eye. So it's gonna be one circle, and then we're gonna draw one more, and then we're gonna draw one more smaller one, and I'll just shade it in. Okay, so very creepy looking eye. And then on this side we're gonna draw another one, so this is gonna be half. Just draw a circle and end it right there. Another one, and then just one full circle, and I'll shade it in. So now we have both of our eyes. And then to draw the beak, so we're just gonna, from here, we're just gonna go up, and then we're gonna curve it back down and just kind of go back to this curve right here. Okay, so just connect it back to the eye. And then from there we can draw her tongue. So right underneath here, and draw one curve, have it go back up. In the middle of the tongue, there's a little bit of detail. And now for the lower beak, and this one's gonna be a little bit more angular. So just come down, and just kind of close it off. So that's pretty much her lower beak. And then now we can finish off the head. So we're gonna continue this curve, just kind of come down, curve it, and then we're gonna stop and then just go straight across, because that's gonna be her neck. Okay, so we'll do this later. Let's finish off the top of her head. So right here, just draw one little curve, and then we're gonna go up a little bit, just a little bit of a line there. Now we can go straight up, and we're gonna close it off. And then now we're gonna draw that little thing on top. So we're gonna draw one curve over it, and then we're gonna draw the opposite curve underneath, but behind that little cylinder there. And then here we're gonna, from the corner, just go up and then come back down to the corner. Okay, so now it looks like it's kind of three-dimensional. And there's a little bit of detail here, so just gonna draw two little lines right there. Okay, and then from there, let's see, that's the head. So now we're gonna come down to the neck. So right here, we're just gonna curve it. Let's draw one little curve like this. We're drawing her neck. And from here, we just continue this, this line here, and then we're gonna curve it. So it's the same curve, we're just gonna give the previous line some thickness. Now we're gonna close it off. Now we can draw in some little sections in here. So there's gonna be one line here, and then there's gonna be one section here, and we'll see that better once I color it. And then one more. Okay, so now that we have the neck, let's move on down to the body. And so this one's gonna be pretty easy. So we're just gonna draw two curves. It's gonna be one section of the body, and then we're gonna close it off. Just give it a little bit of a curvature, so that it looks a little bit more three-dimensional. Okay, and then right here, we're gonna draw one big curve, and we're gonna stop there because we're gonna draw the little wheel on the bottom first. So right here, we can come down a little bit, same kind of curve, just come out a little bit, and now we can draw kind of like a little bit of a, not really a circle, yeah, it's just kind of deflated, okay? There's a little bit of a little loose end there, so it looks like really deflated tire. And in the middle, we're gonna draw another circle. And this one is gonna be a little bit of patch here. It looks like it's leaking air, so it's gotta be patched up. So once we have this wheel, now we can finish off the body here. So from this point here, now we can just kind of come down. It's almost the same as that curve, just come straight down. And then there's gonna be another section here. So just kind of come straight down. That one's pretty straightforward. And then now for the fin, so just on the top here, just curve it and then curve it back into the body. And then let's see, there's gotta be another wheel here. So we're gonna come down, just curve it under. Okay, so let's see, details, let's see, there's gonna be dots, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now there's some details here. Just some kind of marking, so just come out, curve, curve. And that's it for this creepy little toy ducky from Cuphead. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.